What's up, girls? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I got a new tutorial for you. I'm back with another video. I'm going to be using the Playing It Makeup by Yolando, the Artistry Vault palette. I've been showing this on my channel, but I actually haven't done a tutorial. So today I was like, let me go ahead and do a tutorial using this palette. And I did something more on the, you know, the neutral side. Man, they aren't lying. Black makes you look slim. I look good in this monitor. Like, I'm looking like, have I lost weight? Actually, you know what? I think I have lost weight because I've been fasting for like 24 hours, like back to back, you know, eating healthy, trying. So I think I actually have lost a little bit of weight. Or it might just be the black, I don't know, whatever. I really genuinely love this brand. It is Black owned, and this is in collaboration with a Black makeup artist who is extremely talented. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram because I have started using my Instagram more for IG tutorials. But yes, I hope you guys like this look. We're gonna go ahead and jump right on into it because I know you got here. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. I know you guys are trying to hear me talk, but let's get started. All right, you guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I already have my brows partially filled in as per usual using the Anastasia Brow Pomade in Ebony. And so to prime my eyes, I'm going to be using the Playing It Makeup by Yolando, her eyeshadow base in the shade B. And I believe she just recently restocked all the colors actually. So if you wanted to try that out, you can do just that. Oop. Lips is chapped, hold up, I just felt it. I'm gonna use this, I just picked it up yesterday. This is the new Bite Beauty. They got some new like plumping lip glosses. Let me clip my hair back because this is not gonna work. It's just gonna keep popping in. Okay, so today we're gonna be playing around with the Playing It Makeup by Yolando. This is the Artistry Vault palette in collaboration with Beautybymelissa. This is what the palette looks like on the inside. I'm gonna be using the more neutral side of the palette because it's like literally split in half. Also, if you want to see me using this palette doing a more colorful look, I did post an IG tutorial, so if you want to check that out, you can. I will have it linked down below. So I'm gonna take the black shade in the palette, which is called Wahala. By the way, this is a Luxie brush. The black is nice. I feel like I've seen blacker blacks, but it is nice. But anyway, today's gonna be like a chit chat type of video, you know? I feel like I'm probably gonna do more talking when I get to my complexion, just cause I don't want the eyes, I don't want this video to be too long, and like when it comes to eyeshadow, I can find myself wasting time, and before I know it, like I'm cutting out so much. Okay, so now we look crazy. That's okay. I'm gonna take the shade in the palette called Send Nudes, which is this really pretty like camel color. And I'm just gonna pat this on top of this black. And then I'm gonna go back and blend it. My camera just cut off on me talking about make sure a lens is attached. It's been doing this weird thing lately and it's like, what the heck? Like, I can see the lens is attached. I don't know. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue what I was doing. All right, so now I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm just gonna start blending this out. And you don't want to use anything too big. Like you want it, like when you're doing looks like this, you want to use brushes that are a little bit more, you know, detailed, smaller brushes, because when you use bigger brushes, it's gonna spread. It's gonna spread. You're gonna be like, what the heck? Like I did not want this. Okay, so we've started part of the blend. I'm gonna take another brush. This is a Morphe this is a Morphe 433, and this has no product on it. And now I'm going to start blending all of this out. This is gonna start diffusing it, and I'm kind of using the side of the brush. All right, so I think I like this blend. So now I'm going to take these wipes that I have by One Size Beauty, the Go Off wipe, which I do not like these, but they were free, so I'm gonna use them. I don't like them because I feel like it leaves a film behind on the face, so it's not my personal favorite. So I'm just gonna take this wipe and I'm going to clean this off. I used to like talk about people who did this. I was like, that makes no sense. So I put all that product there, but honestly, I can't cut my crease with such a dark color like this all over, it just makes the entire color dark. All right, that'll do. Now I'm going to take, where is it at? I feel like I'm always losing these brushes. Okay, I'm gonna take more of my Plain in Makeup by Yolando, her eyeshadow primer, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. Okay, so the crease is cut. I'm gonna take this Morphe brush, the M507. I've got black shadow everywhere. And I'm just going to kind of just sharpen this a little bit with this brush. This brush is essential. Like, if you don't own like a pointed brush like this, oh my gosh, I'm telling you, please get one. I'm gonna take the Luxie brush and I'm just gonna go over this area. Okay, quick question. Have y'all ever felt like people want other people to be nosy about them? Like they try to act all like, y'all be in my business, and it's like, nobody, like who's in your business? Who's asking these questions? Like sometimes I be looking at people and like, they're like, y'all say worry about who I'm dating. Like who's worried? Cause like, I don't, you know, I don't know. I always get that feeling with people sometimes, just like, I think you enjoy when people do inquire and you make it seem like more people are asking than what people really are, cause nobody cares. I'm so rude. Anyways, I'm gonna take another Morphe brush. This is the M433. I have like multiple of these. This is a clean one. And I'm going to go into the shade called Don't Be Cheap. When it comes to matte shadows, get like fluffy brushes like this. Oh my gosh, they apply like a dream. So I'm just gonna take that shade Don't Be Cheap and I'm gonna put this all over my lid. All right, so I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna throw on a wing and some lashes. I feel like this look definitely requires a winged liner. And I'm going to attempt to use the Point Made eyeliner by One Size Beauty. Normally I'm a gel kind of gal. I don't really use pens, but I'm gonna try and do that today. And then I'm throwing some lashes, come back, and we're gonna do the complexion together, okay? Alrighty, so I have my face done, eyes done. It actually wasn't that bad doing the wing liner with that. So, I don't see the point in wearing primer. After I'm done with this video, I'm about to sit down and edit it. So there's no point. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Givenchy Their Foundation. And I have the shade Y400. I'm going to do like 5 pumps of those. And I'm going to be using this Colored Rain Their Beauty Sponge to apply my foundation. So let's chit chat. I wanted to talk about like the beauty community, but more so like the directions going in. I kind of feel like a lot of these bigger influencers honestly just really don't care about it anymore. And you could tell because they don't post as much. And I don't blame them because I feel like people are way more critical when it comes to the things that they do. It's like they do something and like they really didn't have any type of bad intention, then it gets blown into something bigger. And I just really think a lot of them have made their money and they're just kind of over it, which it's cool because it kind of gives way for like, you know, micro influencers to have a chance. Like let's share that money. Let's share that, share all of that. Let's all be able to enjoy it as well too. Also, I feel like a lot of them, because they have like I just feel like we saw what we should not do for people who still want to pursue this. You know, they want to one day be able to have millions of subscribers as well. Like I feel like all the people who are big now kind of were the blueprint. Like you saw what not to do. Don't say that. Don't do that. But then again, a lot of them, honestly, why do they all have racist past? But you know what it is that none of them thought I feel like none of them thought that they would ever be at this, like have a life like this, be at this level of fame or popularity that they have. And they were just kind of posting videos just to post, and it just took off for them. Yeah, I've been noticing that. And honestly, I'm just kind of like, I feel like quarantine kind of gave room for me to discover more people. Like I'm just not into watching bigger influencers. One, you could tell like they don't care and they don't even post as much. So it's just like, I'm looking for, you know, new people to watch. Also, a lot of people have been saying like, oh, you know, I miss the old YouTube. Da, da, da. It's still here. It's just that you keep watching problematic people. Like there are people who, you know, they enjoy what they do. They post frequently, but I mean, people only want to watch certain people. And that's why you feel like it's filled with drama. You're just watching problematic people. All right, so I think I like the way, this foundation does look good. This is my first time trying this. I just got this the other day and it looks pretty. It does look pretty. For concealer, I'm also going to be using the Givenchy concealers. I have 3 shades here. This one right here, this is shade number 42. This is like my exact skin color, so whenever I want to spot conceal, I'll use that one. I think I'm going to use 32 because this would highlight on me, and then this one's just a little too light. Okay, so this concealer is not your full coverage kind of gal at all, and I like full coverage, so the concealer looks nice, but I want more coverage. I'm gonna take this Makeup Forever concealer. This is in shade 3.6. This is way too light for me. I like a bright highlight, but I don't like it that bright. But this would work on top of like something else. I'm just gonna see if I can get more. This is the coverage I'm looking for. Yes, this is what I want. Coverage. Not that I have anything to cover, but it just, full coverage just looks so good, you know? So to set my under eyes, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier, their newest powder in the shade Honey, which looks like this. And Lorna, we're holding out on us because this powder is freaking phenomenal. Yeah, get it, get it, get it, get it. Yes, yes. I love powder because I'm about to use another powder on top of this. This next powder, where is it? Right here, right here. Actually, we're about to use like 4 more powders before we're done. This is the Makeup Forever, their powder in the shade Y405. Makeup Shayla put me onto this, and I use it to just go ahead and set it into my eyes. It like blurs. Oh my gosh. Just, by the way, this brush is the number 99 by Sephora collection, and oh my gosh, like, she kept raving about it, and I was just like, well, let me buy it since you keep talking about it. And I love it. I use so many powders, you guys, and I'm not oily, but I do use so many powders. We're gonna use 2 more powders. The next one is by Laura Mercier. This is their Candle Glow powder. As you guys can see, I love this stuff. Like, I've definitely hit pan. This is how I get like that really pretty glow to my skin without having to use like anything like dewy or hydrating, because although that stuff looks pretty, it's not gonna last. Granted, I don't know why I'm doing like this because it's not like I'm going anywhere, but if I was, this is what I would be doing. Like, this is how I get my glow. So this softens us up, right? And then we're gonna use another powder. This is also by Laura Mercier. This is her translucent medium deep. This is the glow version. You can use this as just like a cheek highlighter, but I use it as an all over like finishing powder. Now I'm done with my face powders. For bronzer today, I'm going to use the Jouer bronzer. This is their Sun Glow and Sun Gaze bronzer. It looks like this, and I just mix both. This is the Morphe M5227, and I just run it through. And I'm just going to go ahead and, oh, look at that. Lace is coming up. Don't embarrass me. You need to just stay right there. By the way, you guys, I do have some clothing hauls coming, and I'm like, because I'm getting ready to move, so I kind of want to do the clothing hauls in like the new place, because my Shein haul, I have a Shein haul coming, by the way, you guys, and it just got delivered today, which I kind of stopped doing Shein hauls because I just felt like, I don't know, like a year ago when I started doing them, like they were becoming very popular, and then I feel like this year it was just, everybody was doing it. And then also, I don't know, I just kind of felt like it really wasn't worth it. Like, I feel like people, I guess like when you're a content creator, I know you try not to get too caught up with like numbers and stuff, but it gets to you sometimes. I'm just like, I don't really feel like it was worth it. Like, I'm spending money on these clothes, you know, and I don't really need them. Like, I don't need that much clothes. I wear the same thing over and over. I don't go anywhere. Sorry, let me be doing my blush as I'm talking at the same time. I'm gonna use the Shayla X Colourpop, the Construct blush, this brown one. And it just kind of felt like, what's the point? You know, like, I'm buying this stuff, and I'm not on anyone's PR list. And I remember I reached out to Shein because it's just like, you know, look, like, let's partner up. And I don't know who was the girl who was operating that day, but her response was pretty much like, yeah, get back to us when you're more better. I was like, that's rude, first and foremost. 2, like, it kind of threw me off because I'm like, I've seen you work with people who have a lesser following than me and they don't pull in nearly as many views. So I was just like, well, whatever. So I kind of got turned off a little bit from them. I was just like, I don't know about this. But I mean, you guys enjoy the videos, and I do like shopping with them because honestly, you kind of get your money's worth. Like when you shop Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing, any of these brands, like you can get like 9 or 10 items and you're spending like $200. When on Shein, you can get like 17, 20 items and you're spending that amount of money. So it's just like Shein, honestly, it's kind of like a better deal. And all of the clothes are they're not the best quality. So it's just like, I mean, I might as well just give my money to Shein. The highlight I'm going to take is the MAC Gold Deposit. I also look at my analytics and my numbers, and when it comes to like my makeup tutorials, as much as I love doing them, a lot of you guys subscribed. I gained a lot of you guys as subscribers from the hauls. So I still kind of have to make it a little bit of a balance. That's why like I want to start doing more eyeshadow tutorials. Like if I use a palette, like I'll probably use it more than once on Instagram, just so it just feels all around balanced. But yeah, I'm gonna take this Kat Von D, her Everlast. This is actually a lip liner, but I'm not gonna use this on my lips. This is in the shade called Swally, so I just use it as an eyeliner. This is the Morphe, the M431. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna go into the black shade in the palette. And I'm just gonna put this all down here. All right, I'm gonna use, I made this really cute lip combo yesterday, but now I wanna do something different. I was gonna copy it, but no, I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place, the lip liner in the shade Cola. All right. What lip color do I wanna do? Yeah. What color is this? Mademoiselle. It's like a peach. Actually, this might be cute. Okay, I'm gonna take this Juvia's Place lipstick in the shade Mademoiselle. It's like a peach color. Okay. All right, for lip gloss, I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution, their sheer lip gloss. This is in the color Darlene. Oh yes. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do my makeup. I wanna do my hair off camera. I was like, do my makeup. Whitney, what did you just do right now? I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair off camera and I'll be back to close out the video. All right, you guys, so this is the completed look and I like the way it came out. My head looks flat. Oh my God, just choked a little bit. My head looks really flat, but that's because like I never tamed this wig. I look crazy going to work majority of the times. Like I just let it run loose. So I haven't like actually tried to define the curls. So it's like, it's looking weird because it's usually like bigger, but whatever. This palette is fire. Like, look at this. Look, oh my gosh. Like this palette is gorgeous. And this Friday, there's this girl called Beats by Deb. Super talented makeup artist on Instagram, and she's actually going to be dropping her collab, and I will be picking that palette up and I will be doing a video. And yes, it is a rainbow palette and I'm still going to buy it. Help me. At this point, only Jesus himself, only the Holy Spirit himself can deliver me from this addiction that I have where I keep buying makeup. Like, I know what's wrong with me. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram if you want to see me use this palette to create a more colorful look. And just in general, I will be posting more IG tutorials on Instagram because numbers don't lie, and you guys clearly just like my hauls because y'all don't be watching the tutorials. What's going on? Come on, like, what's going on? I just mess with y'all. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the bell post notification on. That way when I upload, you are notified because YouTube ain't gonna do it for you. But yeah, until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.